is it? Well, nobody told y'all you could go. Y'all know I'm crazy. What's good, y'all? Welcome. Hopefully you've been binging. So I'm out here, right here in these streets. Let me put some lip gloss on. Should I wear a hat? Nah, I didn't even do my hair. I'm not out here trying to look cute. I'm out here trying to get. So I'm gonna show y'all how much money I'm making. I ain't scared to show y'all, you know what I'm saying? Don't be trying to come rob me for my little DoorDash check. So it's showing me areas that are busy, but they're kind of far from me. Like, let me just click a local area. I'm gonna click dash along the way because it was pretty busy there. Dash until 10 a.m. Enough gas. It's navigating me like to the area that's really busy. I don't have an actual dash order right now. I don't know, I'm excited, I'm nervous. Cause I'm about to go to somebody's door. Like, I don't be doing it, you know what I'm saying? I might be coming to your house. Make sure it's clean. No. They both got their masks on in the car. Like, I can't wait to get in the car and slip. But maybe they're not sure about each other. Maybe they're like, girl, you been kind of coughing, I don't know. We got our first order, $6.50. Okay, I'm ready to go.
Turn right toward West H Street.
Oh my God, I just got my first order. I don't even care how much it was for, y'all. That was for $6.50. Like, oh, I'm gonna give somebody their order. Somebody's getting Del Taco, guys. Del Taco's good. I'm gonna be back. That was so difficult. You guys, I had no idea how to show her like that I was here to pick up an order. I'm like, I don't know, it doesn't even say that I've arrived. The navigation is off. Like, I got their food. Let's go. Why do I have my blinker on? I'm sorry, drivers behind me. Y'all know I'm crazy.
Turn right, then your destination will be on the right.
I just did it. Complete delivery. Yeah, I'm happy. She was really nice. She was just in there by herself, like in this little shop. I'm in like a shopping center. Y'all, I am on my second order of the day. The first order was a success. I'm going to Jack in the Box. Run in here right quick. That first order was a little far out. Now I see what the girl was referring to. I mean, don't chase hot spots, because that did set me back, because when I got done over there like 30 minutes away, it was no longer a hot spot. So I had to come back home. You feel me?
Relax.
Oh my God, their food smells so good. Let the record show, I did not start the day with breakfast. I just started the day. They want to meet in person, y'all. Everybody want to meet the kids. All right. Businesses are really simple to deliver to. Is you nuts? I don't want your punk ass man. I'm too tough. I am on order 3. I'm excited that I'm doing this and making content at the same time, you know, because like I can tend to 2 of my things. I can tend to my pocket and to my YouTube channel that does not pay me. We changing that this year. YouTube about to start running me some coins. Oh snap. They go to mail truck next to me. You know what? We kind of kinfolk. Y'all, so this is my first house I'm delivering to. My 2 first ones were in commercial areas, so they was businesses. That's 954. Where is it? Well, nobody told y'all you could go.
Oh.
Yeah, that was my first house completed. It was like an older, like not older, she probably was like 40. She was not feeling me, child. I was like, hello, and she just closed the door like, girl, I'm not trying to speak to you.
Head east on West G Street.
I'm gonna start heading back to my area. This morning it's been cool. I haven't made a whole grip of money. I think it said I made like $13 for the hour. Which, you know, I mean, hey, some people make $13 an hour. I ain't even gonna trip. Brittany? Yeah. Okay, cool. Girl. This and your drink. Thank you. You're welcome. Y'all, we're taking a little lunch break. I picked up my sis. You know, you don't gotta be on camera.
Why, I'm ugly?
No, because you don't be liking to be on camera. So we got some natural Lunchables. These very nasty drinks, but they're healthy. This the best part. This was a really big order. You know, this is my biggest order of the day. Bro. Oh, they gave me another order. Are they proud of mommy? That's what dancehall music is. It's like what? So my sister's been making this much easier and just like helping me out. I'm just a driver at this point. This is amazing. Janella, buckle up, sit back and buckle up. I ain't even playing with you. Sit on back.
I said, real in there. I hate going to McDonald's. Yes, he's real.
Wow.
I need my mobile order. This is time. Hey, Siri.
We need to get out the ghetto.
Call McDonald's.
Alright, y'all, so it's definitely a couple days later. So this is what I made. Pretending something is right here. This is how many hours I worked total. I didn't even fully do those amount of hours. I don't even know where they got that number from, because I guess just as long as I'm on the app, it was showing that I was active. But I had so many breaks. So in total, it's saying that I did 8 hours. I guess we'll just call that 1 day of work. And yeah, so you know, is that anything compared to what you make in 8 hours? I think that's good for a day's work, especially because you just get to roll in your car and vibe, pick up food, drop it off. Like, it was just so simple. Thank y'all for tuning into this video. Y'all stay safe out here. Love y'all. Peace.